chip on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with LWigs. It's been a while since I've gotten a wig from them, but today we're with them again. And this is the packaging. This is the second time getting a pouch like this, and I'm very happy because it's so convenient to like store stuff. You can put stuff in here, and then you have this part that you can detach, so that's nice. Inside here we have the wig, and that's all we got in today's package. We got no wig cap, no nothing. Okay, LWigs, what's up with that? But this is the wig that I'm working with today. This is so nice. So actually this is like a body wave 22-inch wig. It's 180% in density, and this is a highlighted color. It's like, you know, it's really nice. It's lighter at the roots, and as you get to the tip it's a little darker. Comes nicely pre-curled, but I actually feel like I might go in and straighten this. I don't know, or should I keep the curls? I want to do a half up half down vibe for this, so we're gonna see. I feel now that I'm seeing it and I'm feeling it, it feels nice and soft. It's like it does have a bit of coarseness to it, I must admit. Let's do a shed check. Yes, I did get one strand. Let's go through that again. I got another strand. Yes. So I'm getting minimal shedding. It is processed here, so do expect that. A good thing is that it's not excessive. It's also pre-plucked. And this is the inside of the wig. It has 4 combs in total, adjustable straps, and the lace looks pretty nice, you know. So I'm happy to go ahead and install this for today's look.
Original Batman.
It's Features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Fire can't cool me up on fire. Original Batman. Somebody said we are on dire. African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline. Live night, can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Fire can't cool me up on fire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
It's Features.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Fire can't cool me up on fire. Original Batman.
It's Features.
We are on dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me things. So whine it for me, girl, say she whine it.
I decided to do a center part because initially I wanted to do a half though, but the space on the lace is not enough to really do that the way I want to. So I'm just gonna do like a nice cut crease look to go with this to kind of, you know, give it that oomph. And I'm gonna do a nice center part, something just sleek and nice. And I really do feel like this is a little shorter than 22 inches. I'm not gonna lie. It feels a little bit shorter. I want to get the ends very blunt, so I'm going to take off maybe like to here. And I'm gonna straighten it because that's the vibe I'm going for.
Whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so. Whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man they want to feel.
Fire can't cool me up on fire. But I
Original Batman.
Somebody said we are on fire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up one.
I'm so impressed with how flat this laid. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into doing my makeup. And then I'm going to continue to doing the rest of the hair. As I said, I'm going to get it really blunt and nice and then sleek, because I also feel like this specific hair color, I'm always doing like a body wave look with it. So I'm going to do it sleek and straight today.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman, oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them a girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to.
I decided to do a simple beat because that's how I'm feeling. And I feel like, you know, a look like this, the skin should just look nice and flawless. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them a girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy
when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
So I did a quick little beat in addition to this whole hair look for you guys, and I did nude lips. All I did was like brown liner with concealer in the middle, the same concealer I used to highlight my brows, and that's how we looking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do a blunt cut on this hair. I'm gonna cut it to like right here. So this is how it looks after I cut it. Really nice and just full, and I love the way it's laying. So as I said, the only reason why I decided to not do the half up half down as mentioned in the initial part of the video is because I realized that the lace doesn't like have enough space for me to do like a parting look, and I really wanted to do a sleek half up half down, not a messy one.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VKills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go crazy for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling.
Finish with this wig. It is gorgeous. You see the movement, how beautiful that is. And I like the fact, I love the body that it has. I mean, because it's a body wave and not like full on straight. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but like the movement is really nice, not much flyaways. I feel like it complements my skin tone beautifully. You could go in and pluck this more if you want. You know, the lace melted really nicely, really nicely, and it just looks so flawless. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put all the specifications of this gorgeous wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Shout out to LWigs for this gorgeous wig once more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and just staying tuned to my channel. Supporting me, it means a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video, so just want to stay tuned. Bye.
Sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, You a turn me on, man I play my song. You a sing along, you got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man a James Bond.